Keep breathing. Give it up. Let it up and down. Up and down. Up. Up. Shake your body, guys. Okay. What is the meaning of Qigong? Qigong is the moving breathing. It's a movement with breathing. So inhale and exhale. We will do it this one 2 sets of 20 reps. Okay? Do it by your own. Count it by yourself. You can close your eyes and feel the energy. Inhale to your nose. Count by yourself. Inhale and exhale. Move slowly. Relax your shoulder. Relax your mind. Relax your shoulder. Your feet. Keep the breath. Hold and flow. Keep breathing. In and out. And in and out. Keep 20 breaths. After your 20 breaths, just break positions. Count by yourself. Good job. Again, another 2. All together again. 1 and 2. That is our warm up. Okay? Then shake your body. Imagine you're pushing the wave. Close your eyes and follow the flow. The more you concentrate, good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Come here. Relax again. Make it again this one. 10 times. Stay with me. Follow with me. Ready? Go. 1. In and out. Warm up your skill. Warm up your Qigong. Let the energy flow. In and out. In and out. In and out. Look my hands. In. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, shake your body. 2 more. 2 more before we start. Okay, next. Let's circle. 1, 2, 1, then move. 1, 2, 1, and move. Okay, ready? We're going to move here in this side. Ready? Go. 1, 2, left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, then stop. Take your body. We're going this side. We start here. Ready? For the right leg. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good job. Okay. One more. Last. Left leg. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, good. Okay. Next, the final. Ready? You're pushing the wall. Ready? Go. You're pumping, right? Ready? Go. 2, 3. Go. 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 Power. Go. Go. 2 more. Go. Now I need your voice. Ready? Go. Yeah, you need to release. So the Qigong is a breathing. So breathe out. Don't be shy. Ready? Go. 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 Good job. Okay, shake your body. Okay, we start for number 1. Our number 1 movement. Are you okay? Are you warm up? You feel your blood flow? So this is number 1. Look to me. So Qigong movements. Imagine bar. Yeah, imagine you are here. Okay, one more again, guys. From this side. It's like pana. Yan, or barrow, arrow. You hold the arrow, look on your target. Look your target. Open it. And then keep it here. 3 breaths. 2 and 3. Now, again. Hold. Imagine you are holding the string. And this is the arrow. Arrow. Imagine, expand your chest. Look your target. And then keep it. Good. Good. Go and stop. Again by yourself. And this side. Ready? See me? Yes. Expand. 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 Strong. 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 What is the chest? Expand. Here. Expand. Look at that. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Then go. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Other side. From here, hold the string, and then bend. Look the target. Straight your arm. Good job. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then stop at the target. Ready? Go. Good. You can lower it, that is more better. Your stances is called horse stand. Imagine you are riding the horse. Horse stand and here. And then release. Again. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, stop. From here again. Go. Down your legs, squat, and then spine. Hold. Don't hold your breath. Hold your pose. Keep balance. Keep strong. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Go. Other side. Horse stand. Horse stand. Nice. Good. Again, release. Good. Go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, stop. Next. Go. Open. String. Your string. Hold down. Good. Go. Ready. Hold it. Push your butt. Your butt. Push your butt. Very good. Butt. Okay. Ready. Scoop. Go. 1. 3 more exercise. Go. 2. And 3. And then arrow. Where's the side? Don't forget your side. Very good. Very good. Open. Okay. Again. Go. Scoop. 1, 2, 3. Then. Okay. Change again. Reverse. Other side. Good. Open your chest. Your stand. Go. Again. One more. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Shake your body. Again, left foot. Ready? We're going here. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Shake your body again. We're going to the right. Ready? Right leg first. Ready? Go. Alright, shake your body. Give it up. Are you okay?
Yes.
Next pose. Our next pose is pushing the earth, pushing the sky, and pushing the earth. Okay, so like this. So from here, imagine you're holding the ball. Hold the ball. Don't release the ball, you hold it. Yeah. So from here, stand, and when you circle, you squat. Okay? Okay, one more. Okay, we start on the right. Ready, circle, circle, go. Stand, and then squat. Stand, and squat. Right hand up, left. Good job. In and out. Good. Go. Stay with me. Left hand up. Right arms up. Okay, stop. Now push the sky, push the earth. So here, sky and earth. Straight. Good job. Again, horse stand. Straight your body. Good. Again, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One more. Go. Last one. Okay, left hands up, right hands down. Go. Push, push, push. Straight. Push, push. Strong, 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 strong. And then circular. Go circular. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Stop. Your right hands up. Remember, ready, go. Only your level. Make sure you straight your body. Don't bend like this. Straight it. Good job. Go. 1, 2, 3. Free to rest, huh? Don't push yourself. Go. Continuous. Ready. 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 Okay, stop. And then again, push the earth. Push the sky. Make sure different arms, huh? Different arms. Good. Go. Twist. 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 And twist. From here. Okay. Ready, then open it. Oh. Relax. Now, again. Left foot. Ready, go. And right, ready. Okay, high five everyone. High five, high five, high five, high five, high five. Very formal. High five. Go. Don't forget. That is 2. Again, hold. 1, 2, and 3. Then here. Say 3. Say 3. 3. Good. Go. Remember the number. Say
4.
good. Count. Ready, hold. 1, 2, and 3. Go. 4.
4.
Yeah. Go. Go. Yeah, don't be shy. Say 5. We are doing 10, huh? We are doing 20. Ready?
6.
Good. Go.
7.
Good job. Go. Go.
8.
Good job. Be down. 1, 2, go.
9.
Good. 1, 2, go.
10.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Shake your body. And right. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And shake your body again. What number now?
Wait.
The position? 3. Okay. 3. Okay, number 4. Our number 4 is this one, guys. Okay? So what you need to do is roll. Roll. Okay, stretch. Look my legs. Look my legs. Okay, then start. Okay, again we are going for 20 reps. Okay, ready? From here. So roll first from here. 1. Say 1.
1.
Stretch. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Go. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. 3 seconds. Hold.
6.
Go.
7.
Stretch. Wait my claps.
8.
Keep breathing.
9. 13. 14.
Good.
15. 15. 16. 17. 8.
Okay, 3. You will say 3. Okay, back again. Ready now. Punches. Ready. Here. Ready. Go. Say 4. 4. Ready. Keep breathing. 5. Good. Look my hand. Go. 6.
6. 4. 5.
Good job. Forward your right leg. Open it. Look my legs. You feel your calf. Open your chest. Ready. Go. Count 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Back. Good. Now, your leg, your left. Open it. Position the same, but the movement's different. Your arms. Ready? Count for 5.
1, 2, 3, 4.
From here, side. Ready? Hands up. Ready? Go. Count 1 to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Ready? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Now from here, go. Open your chest. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Here. Ready? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Reverse. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ready? Count. Quadricep. Feel your quadricep and hands up. Ready? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Front. Ready? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Ready? Cross your leg. Feel the stretch. Here. Feel the stretch from the side. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Change hands from this. Then push here.
1,
Keep breathing.
2,
Keep balance.
3, 4, 5.
Possible if they can handle it. Don't push. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Now, from here, a little bit here. Go. Count as far as you can. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Shake your body. We are going to reverse, then that's it. Are you okay? Very good. Relax your body, guys. Okay, now reverse from here. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Up. Go.
1, 2, 3,
Cross leg. Go.
1, 2, 3,
Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath.
4, 5.
Good job. From here.
1, 2,
Keep breathing.
3, 4, 5.
Lower. Balance. Keep your balance.
1,
Go. Stay with
2,
me.
3, 4, 5.
Good job. Lie down. Cobra. Or upward dog. Look up. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Downward dog. Feel the stretch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Right leg up. Right leg up slowly. Only your balance, guys. Don't push yourself.
1, 2,
Feel your calf.
3,
The calf.
4, 5.
Okay, forward. Your right leg. Slowly, huh? Then, bring your elbow here. Slowly. Yung kaya lang. Ready? Twist. Go.
1, 2, 3,
Keep
4,
breathing.
5.
Good job. From here, look my twist. Keep it here. Go left. Go. Very good.
1, 2,
Very good.
3,
Yeah.
4, 5.
Good job. From here, go from this. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. From here, guys. Stay with me. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, we're going to reverse. We are going to reverse. Same. Relax. Relax first. Baby pose. Baby pose. Keep breathing. Okay, now ready? For upward dog. Look my hands. Level it. Very good. Look upward. Count.
1, 2, 3,
Keep breathing.
4, 5.
Very good, guys. Again. Go. Upward dog.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Up. Push your legs up. Push your legs up. Now, a little bit advance. If you get a little bit advance, okay, huh? From here, twist. But not here only, guys. Only for here. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Forward. Slowly. Careful. Now, bring your elbow here. Possible. Okay, and then like this.
Balik ko ba?
Look here. Yeah. Now, make sure your breathing is okay, huh? Keep breathing. Go, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Now from here, lock my legs. I twist up. Then I bring here. Then look this way. Go. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Now bring again here in this side. Look down. Correct. And then look up. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Then stick to your hamstring. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Lie down. Lie on your back. We go pelvic thrust. Ready. Now, heel up. Hip thrust. Go. Count.
1,
Hands on your side.
2,
Go.
3, 4, 5.
Now give me 10 pounds. Ready? Squeeze your butt. 1. Slowly. Ready? Go. Count.
1,
Squeeze.
2,
Go.
3,
Up and down. Go.
4,
Slowly. And down, then up.
5,
Good. Down, then up.
6,
Go down and up.
7,
Down and squeeze.
8,
Go up.
9,
Down.
10.
Okay, then hold. Now, bring your arms. And then just relax. Good job. Now from here, guys. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, and from here, guys. Ready? Like dancing. You feel like you're dancing, but alternate. Ready? No count. Just feel you're dancing with your core. Make sure your core is flat. Okay, good job. Then twist. Here, twist. And twist. Here. Twist and reverse twist. Good. Okay, face down. Nice. Now we're face down, guys. That's face down. Superman. Okay, Superman. Awareness. Go, count for 10 seconds. Ready, go.
1,
Hands up, hands left,
Two.
straight. Keep breathing.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, baby goes. Very good. Relax here. Okay, slowly. Position. Keep breathing. Breath. Open. Now, bring your palm here. This side. You can do at least 10 breaths. In and out. Ready? Close your eyes. Inhale, expand. Exhale, release. Again, inhale, expand. Exhale, release. Inhale, expand your stomach, your belly. Inhale, pull the air inside, move your belly, and release. Good. Inhale, expand, release.